Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is your free video for Thursday, August 6th. So let's revisit Micron today. I wanted to give you some levels you should watch out for. Micron's been moving lower and higher with the market and sometimes on its own. What I'm starting to see is a consolidation range here in Micron, and it's roughly this price action right here. Okay, goes all the way down. I'm going to keep running it down a little bit more so you can see it. And then recently, this rebound range. Okay, so roughly to that same point. Okay, so here we are. We are slightly above the 50-day EMA and the 8-day EMA. See how everything's kind of coming together right around $880. So this is the point I'm watching for a breakout. Now, you could watch the descending trend lines or the ascending trend lines for the breakout, or you could watch the latest pivot high. I would be watching for a break. This is a conservative breakout above 930 in Micron. And this is a little bit, I'll go with the middle of this, roughly 810 to the downside. Okay, at that point, we're significantly above the descending trend line and below the ascending trend line. And that would put it in a very good position for a potential breakout. Now, if we do check out the daily momentum, we are a bit bullish because we're kind of continuing this retracement higher. We just ran into this descending trend line. That's roughly the 900, 905 level. So I think if we break that level and then move up to and through the 930, I think you have a pretty good shot to move up to 1,000 with Micron. Okay? Good luck trading.